Meaning of house-proud.
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 House-proud. The term house-proud refers to a person who takes great pride in their home and its appearance. This individual is constantly striving to maintain a clean, organized and well-decorated living space. They are meticulous in their cleaning and decorating efforts and may invest significant time and resources into enhancing their home's aesthetic appeal. A house-proud person often enjoys entertaining guests at their home, as it provides an opportunity to showcase their efforts and receive praise for their beautiful living space. Overall, being house-proud is a reflection of one's dedication to creating a comfortable and welcoming environment for themselves and others.